We are very well known because of our snake-like robots experience. Snake robots can enter in very narrow spaces. And in many industries, like oil, gas and chemical, people are requested to make very dangerous operations during the inspection of their infrastructures. So by providing our smart tools and smart services through HiBox, we can provide to our customers a complete asset management. In this way, we can generate the digital twin of infrastructures, and by applying AI to the big data collected by the robots, we can actually predict failures. So the result is basically safer and more reliable inspection operation for our customers.
HiBot の魅力は長い実績とそれからトップレベルの技術力、特にロボティクスの場合には総合技術になりますので、ハードとそれからソフトウェアと両方の技術を持っていることがものすごく重要になっている。でなおかつこの HiBot さんは世界中からそのようなスタッフが集まってきている。そういうところが他の会社と比べてもものすごく魅力的なところだというふうに我々は感じています。
東京工業大学の高い技術力と小回りの利く開発体制をベースにユーザーのニーズをしっかり掴んでビジネスをやっている、そんなベンチャーだと思っております。我々扶養総合リースは非常に幅広な顧客基盤を持っておりますので、いろんな課題やニーズをHiBotと組み合わせて提供することができると思っております。
人間がどんどん不足していって、人間自身がそれ自体をやることがものすごく難しいものだったり、こういうものに対してロボットが活躍していく場面がたくさん増えていくと思うんです。今後HiBotにはいろいろなロボットの技術っていうものを集める、そしてお客様の課題を解決していくハブとなる会社になってほしいと思って投資をしています。
In the last year, we have succeeded in the development of a compact mobile robot capable of inspecting pipes, and also on a long-reach arm, which is capable of inspecting confined spaces and difficult-to-reach areas. Float-arm development is taken ahead toward the productization and commercialization, and we're already collaborating with major OEMs and worldwide service providers for aircraft, oil, gas, and chemical plants. Float-arm can be utilized for the inspection of fuel tanks, pressure vessel tanks, and also pipes on I-racks. And in this way, we can make operations safer and also decrease the amount of scaffoldings being utilized. Industrial boilers can be inspected with our solution named Squid. Squid is a robot capable of inspecting the pipes and also to measure the wall metal thickness. Both solutions, Squid and Float-arm, can be utilized to decrease the downtime of the asset and to increase the capability of inspecting the wall infrastructure. HiBox platform is being developed in line with the development of our smart tools, and it will be introduced later this year. HiBot is a multicultural team of innovative minds, engineers very passionate coming from all over the world and all together committed for changing the way inspection of infrastructures are being taken ahead. With these new strategic and business partners, we're further contributing to the realization of a sustainable and safer world by providing our solutions at a global scale.